आगे बच गया भाई। वेलकम टू स्प्लिट। We are leaving right now. The thing is, in Split the weather is not that good, but let's see what we can make out. Reaching there at 1 o'clock, and then we do not have enough amount of time to explore. It's gonna be raining all day, and it's my birthday today, so I want to enjoy. It doesn't seems like it's possible for today in Split. So we are on Zadar bus stop right now. It's a central bus stop. Right now we are back here again, and let's see. This is how it looks like. ये washing closet है. इतनी हिम्मत तो किसी इंडिया में नहीं किसी की भाई कि बाथरूम में CCTV कैमरा लगा देते। भाई यूरोप की किसी सिटी में एक्सपेक्ट नहीं किया था कि ऐसा होगा। बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम हो गया हूँ, बट क्वाइट इंटरेस्टिंग कि बाथरूम में कैमरा लगा हुआ है। ऐसी होती है बस यहाँ की, तो बीच में लगेज रखा जाता है एंड सीट्स अपनी वहाँ पे हैं। We got a 10-minute pause here, somewhere between Zadar and Split. So bro, it was 2 hours ride. We are 15 minutes late. White people's problem.
You also need, man. The only thing is that I will look red then.
These ships are itself big, and now look at that cruise. Fuck. And what is this shit, bro? What is this shit? It's a sailing boat. What it's called? It's catamaran. Catamaran ferry something. Lot of Spanish people here. ये लोग जैसे टूर्स कराते रहते हैं, तो यहाँ पे आप टूर्स बुक कर सकते हो अपने डिफरेंट तरीके के 4 island tours, 5 island tours. This is kind of amazing. You also got this thing here. I think you can drink water from here. I think we are in the old town right now. Bro, our BNB was like 2 kilometers away, and I'm just carrying this suitcase. The view is good. Look at the mountains at the back. It's good. Like, it gives me really kind of Delhi vibe. It's a little bit cleaner. This is the only thing that makes difference. I think rest of the thing is almost the same. मैं green room में green चीज़ों के साथ green कपड़े पहन के अपना green flag का birthday है आज. And we are going to celebrate it somewhere. Let's see कहाँ जाते हैं. She decided some cafe, तो वहाँ पे जाएंगे पहले, and then she invited me to some restaurant. I think वहाँ पे जाएंगे. Let's see वहाँ थोड़ा card game खेलेंगे because it's gonna be raining in 2-3 hours. So I don't think हम कुछ कर पाएंगे यहाँ पे. But let's see how it's gonna be and let's go. Oh, this is the view from our kitchen. Amazing. Here's a cool B&B. Now it's time to leave. Let's go. It looks more like China than Croatia, and also somehow reminds me of India. Like while looking at those streets, houses, it looks like that I'm in IIT campus or somewhere.
Here goes the birthday child.
This is my birthday outfit. Green clothes for the green flag. It's so good. Yeah. Thank you. So यहाँ पे भी ये चीज़ है, जैसे पीछे वो बनी हुई है ना रोड ज़ेब्रा क्रॉसिंग, तो यहाँ भी पेडेस्ट्रियंस को पहले अलाउ किया जाएगा, एंड देन जो कार्स हैं दे विल गो लेटर ऑन, एंड देयर इज समथिंग वेरी यूनिक. आई थिंक इट्स टूर काइंड ऑफ सिटी टूर, सो यू हैव टू पे 10 euro समथिंग, एंड देन यू गेट टू राइड इन दीज काइंड ऑफ बस एंड दे विल जस्ट रोम अराउंड द होल सिटी. तो वही दी गई है येलो कलर की, पीछे तुम देखी होगी. वी केम हियर बट दे डू नॉट हैव एनी केक और समथिंग, एंड नाउ वी आर गोइंग समवेयर एल्स, राइट? लेट्स गो. for a coffee shop. But in Germany, generally cafes have all the cakes and coffees. But here we tried out like 3 most highly rated cafes, and there were no cake. Generally it's not the normal thing in Germany, so that's why she is frustrated right now. And then she's also looking for the new place where we can go. So as expected, they do not have the cake as well, and now she is looking for a new place which is like 3 minutes away from here, and we are going there right now.
This is so stupid. I mean, literally.
Why is it so stupid? Maybe they do not have the concept of having cake with the coffee. Like literally, when I came in Germany, it's the first thing I've ever heard, the cake with coffee.
Really?
Yeah. Look at that. What is this? You can also rent scooters here. Let's hope. Looks like Tobacco Central. I don't know, bro. Let's see if we can find the cake or not. It didn't work. Wait, it didn't work out again.
Like,
She want vibe
yeah.
and cake. There was cake, but no vibe. So I have to look for the new one right now. And now the things are in my hand. I'm confused between this cake and this cake, but I will go for this one probably.
happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
It was a nice time. Now I don't feel like recording, to be honest. We are first going on this Maruan hill or something. Hey, don't do it. It's gone. If you do this, then the whole gang is gonna attack you. So she just hates pigeons, and like she just start kicking them off.
Really like that. My whole family hates
and
them.
since she came here, they are just kind of attacking her. Like they're just coming out and she's shouting in the street. "Ah!" Like, bro, if they're gonna do this, they're gonna come more for you. I tried not to record, but the view is so good from here. We just climbed up these 300 stairs, and right now I'm here. Bro, let me show you around. It's exhausting, but it's worth it, right?
Yeah.
On the top of the hill, we have this small church. This is church, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. These trees are so weird.
I like that.
Yeah, like weird. I mean, they're different. Let's go on these stairs and let's see. It's quite amazing, man. Can you show around a little bit of the view? Bro, this view is amazing, literally. But we are not able to see the islands from here. It's a great view. We are gonna be there tomorrow and hope the weather is nice, because it's gonna rain and there would be a lot of thunderstorm. I hope. I think she was once explaining me what a thunderstorm, and she didn't get the word. And she said there would be a lot of tournament. What do you think? How many tournaments gonna be there tomorrow?
2.
2 tournaments.
Yeah.
Okay. And this is the whole view. Our main plan was to go there on the bus and then explore the Blue Cave thing. But if the weather would be shitty, I don't think the Blue Cave is accessible from there. So I just go for the best. We were just trying to search a restaurant, and we just came out like for 20 minutes and we just found a beach here. But people are playing there and it's so blue. Like, look, they're different colors, right?
Amazing.
Every house looks so beautiful, right? Like they're just making with these stones. And I think this stone is kind of cheap here. That's why they're making every house, every street kind of with these kind of stones, and it looks so beautiful. We celebrated my birthday, had a really nice meal, सब कुछ अच्छा था. Now we are going to this palace thing. We were actually heading towards home, but then I realized that I had this thing on my list and I had to do it anyways. It's a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and this city is totally different in the night, and during the day it was totally different. Man, it's so amazing, right? It's more of a kind of a party vibe city right now. During the day it's like more of a vacation kind of vibe city. The floor, man, is more cleaner than my room. This is the palace, and this is the basement where they used to keep the spices, crops and everything. This is this palace, and then you have this basement here. I don't know how many centuries ago they used to keep the spices and everything here. This is the basement of the palace, bro. Man, how high is that, right? And how in those times they have made all these things. There are Germans everywhere. Like we were in Zadar, there were a lot of Germans. Split VR, everywhere you can listen to German language. Also in some restaurants they are writing the menus in German as well. Bro, literally every corner of the city is kind of beautiful in its own way. Like I can't stop recording it. Like it's like let me record this, but every corner of this city is beautiful, and in the night it's much more beautiful. Because it got a little cozy and the lights are on, and that is giving a really nice look to the city. Look at the difference. The same building what I showed you in the afternoon today and right now, it's totally different vibe. For real, man. Whole vibe is different. We were trying to go into this restaurant today, but it didn't work out because it did not have any cake, and she wanted a cake today, bro. And she wanted a cake today, but we found a better spot. Actually, this cafe shop was kind of worth it, but it works. 1967.
The next day.
So let me show you कि ये lift कैसे काम करती है पुरानी. Press this button. Closed one time and then second time pressed. It's going down. Bro, it's kind of scary, but it works, so I do not have any problem with that. And then what the fuck? What the fuck is this? Am I locked? And you have pressed it and it got opened up. I think I got locked. Let's go one floor down or something. For real, bro, for real. Dangerous shit. Okay. बाहर आ गया भाई, बाहर आ गया, बच गया भाई. And नीचे तुमको कोई बटन नहीं मिलता यहाँ पे. You have to use the key to call the lift. So no button here.